Today, with more than 1 billion cars on the roads worldwide, our modes of transport are changing, but they are still a problem. We are all aware that exhaust gas pollutes the atmosphere and that it can be blamed for the deterioration of the quality of air in our cities. But it is not alone. 20% of the harmful emissions from road traffic are the result of vehicles braking. This produces ultrafine particles, increasing the level of pollution, already a cause for concern. To solve this problem, we developed TAMIC, already bench-tested and car-tested. When you brake, a signal travels along a patented system we have been developing for many years. An electronic controller pilots the TAMIC, which is built around a filter and a high-performance turbine. The brake system is modified to pick up as many microparticles as possible to prevent them from being dispersed by the vehicle's outflow. They are trapped when the brake pads come into contact with the disc. Two suction channels in the brake caliper direct the flow of particles towards the filtering case where they are stored. This filtration process makes the air cleaner. It isolates toxic and carcinogenic fine particles responsible for many of our current public health problems. Combining environmental friendliness and ease of use, TAMIC technology is a universal device. Automobile is not the only field of application. The railway system of every major metropolis is used by millions of people every day. One of the main challenges is the emission of ultrafine particles released during braking. The brake pads were out on constant contact with the brake disc and release harmful particles. To remedy this, we have been developing for many years an adaptation of TAMIC technology to meet the challenges of the railway of today and tomorrow. The driver, when braking, automatically triggers a signal, which is transmitted to an electronic card, driving to high-performance suction turbines. The brake pads are modified to maximize the capture at the source of the microparticles emitted by the braking system. Two suction channels allow the collection and storage of the aspirated dust. TAMIC technology offers an answer to a public health problem and the maintenance of rolling stock.